DJ turn it loud and watch me turn it up.
Semi-automatic dishwasher has the ability to wash, rinse, and dry dishes. These machines are designed for catering parties to reduce load. Next, for the dryer, use two blowers to dry 6 pieces of 26 mm diameter plate so that it could dry 6 plates in a row. 2 tanks will be used in the semi-auto dishwasher for the water and the soap. It takes 5 minutes in one go for this machine to do all the work since it uses a high pressure water pump. Its purpose is to speed up the work process. The catering party did not change the water that they used for hand washing even though they had used it for 100 dirty plate. Similarly, the dishcloth is not changed even though it has been used for 100 dishes. There is still a lot of grease on the plate and it is not clean enough for next person to use it. Additionally, it can cause stomach pain caused by bacteria on the plate. Almost all catering staff wash dirty dishes. This will cause other works to be interrupted. The scope of the project is first, specialized for catering party. 2. Using semi-auto operation that is semi-manual and semi-automatic. Third, include washing, rinsing off, and drying element. Use a sprinkler that spray water to rinse the dishes. And lastly, the capacity machine has 2 dish rack and contains 6 plates in one process. Wash the dish by hand. This is to use water from water source that require human energy. After that, machine automatic. The automatic washing machine use high technology material and a switch for washing and rinsing. Unfortunately, it is not equipped with a drying mechanism. Semi-auto dishwasher. It use sprinkler, a water pump, and a blower to provide soapy water and clean water automatically.
My name is Siti Fairha and I am a second presenter and I'm going to talk about tools and the uses or the functioning of the tools that we are using in semi-auto dishwasher. First, we are using metal inert gas welding, as we all know as a MIG welding. This is for fabrication process that joins materials such as metal. Okay, next we use branch drill. Branch drill is drilling lightweight pieces of material. Like we are using this to make a hole for our rod and our body frame. And we have tape measure. This is a flexible ruler used to measure size or distance. And we are using hacksaw, fine-toothed saw, originally and mainly made for cutting metal, but for our case we are using it to cut our PVC pipe. Next, we are using silicone glue. We are use it to bond many common materials including plastic, metal, glass, and ceramic. And also we are using kiki bersih. It's used for removing excess material from a piece. Then we also using angle grinding, which is it used for cutting metal into part and finishing the surface project. And also we are using hand drill to drilling hole and securing screw. Now we are on methodology. Okay, for our machine we have 2 main components. One is a blower. The function of the blower on the machine is to emit hot air to dry the plate. Blower function is to make the process of drying dishes. Blower pads are placed on the surface and make it easier for the wind to hit the plate to be dried. Next, we are going to talk about the pump. The pump that we are using is water pump. A water pump is a mechanical device used to increase the energy of the liquid to move from one location to another. The fluid will be flowed through a suction and pumped to other location through a conduit, either metal type or soft type such as PVC or the rubber. Venue project flow chart. This is a simple flow chart that everyone has been followed for 2 semesters in order to finish our project. So as you can see, this is our flowchart. That's all from me, and I'm going to pass to the third presenter, to Nur Natasha Liliana. Thank you.
My name is Nur Natasha Elena Bintan Saha. I want to present about comparison design for 1, 2, and 3. First design is design 1 is using DIY conveyor using canning water, dish rack, and a storage box and frame for PVC. Second design is we have blower, storage box, 2 mineral water, DIY conveyor, dish rack, and raining water flow. And last design is third, using tin biscuit, format as reduce noise, and aluminium sink and blower. Next, the concept of evaluation and selection. First, we have neatness, cost of use, capability and resilience, efficiency and total. So we have 3 design. For design 1 is neatness 2, cost of use 1, capability 2, efficiency 3, and total of design 1 is 8. Design 2 is neatness 3, cost of use 3, capability 2, efficiency 3. Total of design 2 is 11. The last design is neatness 5, cost of use 5, capability and resilience 5, efficiency 4. So total for design 3 is 19. The evaluation concept show that the third design is the best choice for this project. Because of this, the concept of evaluation and selection is appropriating using it. Process production project. First, create piping line using PVC pipe with 15 mm diameter. Marking and cutting pipe, then fasteners is using glue. Second, marking the frame machine using angle bar with dimension 4 feet multiply 3 feet multiply 2, and cut it using angle grinder. Then weld the metal part together. Third, cut expanded metal into 2 feet multiply 3 feet. Next, wheel all 4 rods on machine. Next, apply paint to the frame machine. Attack aluminium for both side at back side of machine. This is because we want to maximize the use of blower. Install blower on the top of project engine to the air piping line and assemble all the pipe. Products, a sink use aluminium at the bottom layer of machine. Attack form made to the top layer of the sink and on side of body machine so it can reduce noise. Estimate cost. We have target cost our project is above 1,500, but total final cost this project is 780 ringgit 2 cents. It's below than our expectation. Next, I will pass to last presenter, Muhammad Isrizat bin Muhammad Noor.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Muhammad Isrizat bin Muhammad Noor is my name. I will be the last one to speak. Okay, now I want to show you a point of view of how our product operates. Enjoy!
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Hari ini saya akan buat POV dengan menggunakan bahasa Melayu untuk menceritakan keseluruhan laluan air dan udara. Okey, first sekali kita akan menggunakan main water. Kita akan memberi laluan sehingga kepada valve. Tujuan valve ni adalah untuk membenarkan air dari main hose lalu ataupun untuk memberhentikan main hose. Kita akan membuka valve untuk memberi air lalu terus ke pipe dari inlet dan akan keluar daripada outlet sehingga ke piping dan akan melalui piping di bawah lah untuk memberikan air untuk mencuci. Untuk pada sabun pula, kita akan tutup pada main valve dan akan membuka valve pada sabun. Dan air akan lalu kepada pump untuk memberikan tekanan yang lebih kuat untuk memulakan proses mensabun pinggan. Selepas kita selesai dalam proses mensabun pinggan, kita akan tutup pada valve sabun dan buka balik valve main water untuk membasuh sekali lagi kepada pinggan. Selepas selesai membasuh, kita akan ke proses pengeringan, iaitu menggunakan blower. Blower akan menghasilkan udara bertekanan tinggi dan akan mengeringkan pinggan. Itu saja. Terima kasih.
The conclusion we can conclude is that each project has a different method when used to create a successful and well-functioning project. In general, the method is divided into 3 parts, namely planning, implementing, and analyzing. Next, the project we create can reduce manpower as we already know. Catering organizers usually use their workers to go through the process of washing dishes, while our product only need to arrange the dishes and the dishes. So, here can save time for catering workers and can better maintain cleanliness without using the same cloth to dry the dishes. Our product take less time than using manual washing. That's all. Thank you.
Selamat musik.